Willie Revillame, born January 27, 1961, is a Filipino television host, actor, comedian, drummer, singer, and businessman. He has hosted numerous variety shows, such as Lunch Date, Sang Linggo Napo Sila, MTV, wowowin, Wiltime Big Tom, Willie, wowowin, and wiltowin. The city of Cabanatuan in Nueva Ecija is Revillame's hometown. In photos, the women in Willie Revillame's life. During Willie's time in showbiz, many names have been associated with him. These include women he once loved, those he worked with, and even those who were only linked to the wowowin host. Meet the women who have made an impact on Willie's life in this gallery. Princess Bonzalan was Willie's first wife, but their marriage only lasted 5 years. For the second time, Willie fell in love again with former beauty queen Liz Almoro. Their almost 2-year marriage as a couple resulted in a son, Juan Emmanuel or Huami. Nadine Ignacio was a tourism student and only 19 years old when she was linked to Willie. They met when the girl was a guest on Kuya Will's program as one of the candidates for a fitness gym pageant. Willie admitted that he felt comfortable with Nadine, but denied that he had flirted with her. Following the news of Willie and Nadine's breakup, Laura Quiggeman was linked to the host. However, the former beauty queen clarified that she had nothing to do with the breakup. Laura was also linked to Willie when she received flowers and a watch from him. Mariel Rodriguez is Willie's longest-serving female co-host. It can be said that this helped launch Mariel's career to become one of the leading TV hosts. Aside from being Willie's co-host, Roxanne Guinu also became Willie's leading lady in the movie Mr. Housewife. Christine Reyes' name was also linked to Willie. However, the actress clarified that she and the host are just friends. Christine's sister Aramina has also been linked to the wowowin host. She was intrigued by Willie when she was included in the entourage of Willie's former program that went to Guam. Aramina also denied that there was any involvement and explained that they have been friends for a long time. Donita Painter said it was awkward when she was linked to Willie. She said she is close to the host because he is their family friend. Many were thrilled when Shalani Soledad and Willie became a tandem on his previous program. They were often teased, and the host often teased the shy counselor. Willie was so insistent that he helped Shalani move on after her breakup with former President Benigno Noynoy Aquino III. Miriam Quimbao was also intrigued by Willie when she received a Louis Vuitton bag from the host. She said she only received it as a thank you from Kuya Will for being a guest on his program. Manny Villar and Senator Cynthia Villar's daughter Camille was also named after Willie. However, she clarified that the host is a good friend of their family. Ariella Arita is also one of Kuya Will's female co-hosts. Willie invited her to host wowowin because he noticed her talent and personality. Beck Soriano, Maricel Soriano's sister, was Willie's teenage sweetheart. The result of their love affair was their first child, Meryl. Revillame has 4 children, namely Louise Ann, Juan Emmanuel, son of Almoro, married Moni Chanel, daughter of Sharon Vaduya, and the eldest, actress Meryl Soriano. Prior to hosting and acting, Revillame started his career as a drummer. He made his television debut in GMA Network's noontime variety program Lunch Date, which ran from 1986 to 1993 as one of Randy Santiago's Holly Boys. Revillame was also a film actor, with one of his earliest films being Bobo Cop by Regal Films in 1988. He appeared in various movies, often playing sidekick to big-name stars until he landed the titular leading role in Alias Boy Tigas and Provincianong Ways. Willie Revillame's enchanting house in Tagaytay, standing on top of a hill. The breathtaking house can be seen from the main road and showcases a luxurious tropical-inspired look, with huge windows and glass sliding doors offering an unobstructed view of the outdoors. It's easy to feel calm and collected once you enter the house. With wide outdoor areas and an infinity pool, Guests can also relish the feeling of being one with nature, since the area is ideal for hosting parties and get-togethers. The dining sets from Dedden's play collection can accommodate more than 20 people. The flight of steps leads to the main house and another spacious outdoor area furnished with LED-illuminated chairs, tables, and a bar area. A Dedden cantilever outdoor parasol protects the pieces from the harsh elements. At night, the house looks like a resort. Well-placed lights add drama to the home, highlighting its structure. Comfy seating pieces placed outside allow Willie and his guests to savor the view and the cool breeze of Tagaytay anytime. The first floor of the property follows an open layout, with the cove ceiling separating the living and dining areas. The free-flowing layout maintains the airy and spacious feel of the home, while highlighting the beauty of the contemporary pieces added to each area. The living area will remind you of a hotel suite with a top-notch entertainment system. A gray sectional sofa from B&B Italia, inviting armchairs, and plush pillows. Adding height and luxury to the space are the imposing Super Arcamoon outdoor floor lamp, a collaboration between Dedden and Flo's lighting system, and another floor lamp designed by Felipe Stark. The dining area features equally stunning pieces that complement the overall look of the home. Beside the dining set is a console table that holds a high-end sound player, a few books, and other high-end accessories. Wooden slats separate the dining area from the staircase leading to the bedrooms. Pieces from the Italian brand Molteni and C complete the dining area, as the ware chair is paired with Tenhu chairs. The dark finish of these essentials add a tropical luxe appeal to the home. The spacious and well-lit kitchen cum pantry connects the dining area to the veranda. Well-stocked and organized, the cooking area features sleek cabinets and top-of-the-line appliances. Various treats and snacks are placed on the countertop as well as a few small appliances. Sliding glass doors from the kitchen pantry open to the mess kitchen where cooking is done, especially when Willie is expecting many guests. Though compact, it is fitted with stainless steel appliances, double sink, and an island in the middle. The outdoor dining area is furnished with charming seating pieces from Dedden's Seashell collection. Designed by Jean-Marie Masseau, the chairs are stackable, comfy, and has backrests that allow users to fully relax. The powder rooms, one for male guests and another for female guests, are found on the first floor of the house. Both spaces are clean, organized, and equipped with quality fixtures. We wouldn't mind staying in the entertainment room for hours. It features inviting sofas in neutral colors, vibrant floor pillows, a huge TV, and high-end speakers, and a video machine, to name a few. Calming neutrals dominate the space, with pops of green and orange sprucing it up. Aside from taking a walk or scheduling a run within the vicinity, the TV host can simply head to the gym for a few minutes of intense exercise. It is conveniently located near the swimming pool for a truly relaxing view. Talk about a complete calming escape. The house has its own private sauna that most gyms in the metro have. Though it has an unusual layout, it still has an outer sauna with table and benches and a bigger inner sauna that can accommodate 10 people. Wood and glass define the staircase. The slats that we can see from the dining area are floor-to-ceiling rods that function as railing. These rods add height to the space while separating the common areas from the bedrooms. Willie's house has a total of 4 bedrooms, with 2 guest rooms, a family room, and the master bedroom on the roof deck. The first of 2 guest rooms can be likened to a hotel, with direct access to the swimming pool and gym. Though clean and simple, the room has an undeniable homey vibe, thanks to the well-chosen lighting pieces that add a warm glow. Since the family room is located on the same floor as the master bedroom, only the TV host's close friends have access to the said space. All guest rooms have an en-suite bathroom equipped with quality fixtures and an enclosed shower area, though these spaces showcase a minimalist vibe to create a relaxing feel. Willie furnished it with high-end and elegant furniture pieces. Just like the other areas in the home, the host's personal space is truly envy-worthy with a breathtaking view of the serene outdoors. Kenneth and mock glass walls and sliding panels allow natural light to stream into the space, and make it more relaxing. A huge TV and a sleek console cabinet that complements the rest of the finishes in the room can be seen at the foot of the bed. Aside from catching up on his favorite shows, Willie can simply step outside with a cup of coffee, settle on a chair, and enjoy a quick break. To maintain the hotel-like vibe, the room is completed with taupe curtains, a beige love seat, hardwood flooring, a dark padded wall, and a cushioned headrest. Bathed in natural light, the spacious master toilet and bath can only be accessed through Willie's walk-in closet, fitted with high-end fixtures and sleek finishes. It has a his and hers sink and a glass shower enclosure. Inside the shower area is a floor-to-ceiling glass window that lets in natural light. The wooden blinds can be pulled down easily to achieve privacy when using the bathroom. It's safe to say that Willie loves Deaden's pieces. Outside his room are chic pieces from the brand's well-loved collections like Slimline, Obelisk, and Barcelona. The resort-like outdoor area is perfect for early breakfast meals, afternoon snacks, and lounging after a long day. You'll never have a hard time finding a spot where you can take in the beauty of Tagaytay. In this home, the outdoor areas are furnished with sturdy yet comfy seating pieces, inviting you to take a seat, relax, enjoy a drink, or even read a book. To make guests feel like they're in a posh resort, the outdoor area highlights a lush landscape complemented by pretty furniture pieces. In this quaint spot, guests can read, enjoy a meal, or chat the time away. Those who prefer a bit of alone time can sneak into the Nestra's Hanging Lounger by Deaden and relish a few minutes of peace. The lap pool is inviting and probably the most relaxing spot in the home. Guests can take a dip, admire the view, or relax in one of the lounge to maximize the space. The area is furnished with a dining set that can accommodate 6 people and a couple of lounge chairs from Deaden's Moo collection. From above, one can appreciate the outdoor areas, swimming pool, and koi pond. The location is indeed a prize catch as it provides enough privacy for Willie, allowing him to take a well-deserved break from a busy schedule. The house looks extra enchanting at night, with all the lights turned on. According to Willie's foreman, the host prefers to have the lights turned on whenever he's at home. Well-placed lights highlight not just the structure, but the home's outdoor area and special feature as well. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Take care always.